In this video, I will demonstrate kung paano mag-charge or magbigay ng assessment sa isang estudyante sa FIS. So, yung charging ng estudyante or yung assessment niya is yung function or yung process na yun is naka-integrate doon sa cashiering or sa payment receipt na module. So, first, we go to the payment receipt na module or your cashiering natin. It's either you go to the payments and click this menu, or you can easily click the shortcut here from the toolbar, the payment receipt system. Okay, and then once you click that one, yung settings or terminal settings mag-appear yan siya, and then you just click OK. Now, in order to charge or make an assessment for a certain student, first you have to browse yung pangalan ng estudyante. You just click this button or you press F4. So after that, maglabas itong browser natin. So in this component, pwede natin, ito yung listahan ng mga estudyante sa system natin, and you can easily type the name of the student. For example, this one. Yan. Now, initially, pag search mo ng pangalan ng estudyante, pag hindi mo siya makita sa list, you can click the refresh button or the F5 here. Yan. And then you search again. Yan. Now, even after refreshing the list, hindi mo pa rin makita yung name ng estudyante. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi na encode or na-register yung estudyante in the FIS sa registrar system. So, kailangan natin coordinate with the registrar na bakit wala ang pangalan ng estudyante nito. So, it means na posible dumiretso siya sa cashier or sa cashiering system na hindi siya nagdaan doon sa SIS, sa registrar's office. Okay, so, you search the name of the student, and then pag nakita mo na siya, you click, and then you press enter. So, after pressing enter, so, nakalagay dito yung pangalan ng estudyante, yung details ng enrollment niya o yung registration niya. So, after that, you click the assessment button. Ito, student assessment. So, once you click the button, may student assessment window na mag-appear. Again, nakalagay dito yung details ng estudyante, anong year level niya. Now, to automatically load the assessment or charges the estudyante, you just click the second button, this one, and then automatically the system magsi-search yan sa doon sa schedule of fees kung ano yung tamang assessment ng estudyante. So remember sa previous videos natin na sa schedule of fees, we set up schedule of fees based sa course ng estudyante, and then we can also identify or we specified also kung anong year level. So the system can automatically search for that schedule of fees, and then ilo-load niya dito sa charge assessment ng estudyante. So for example, in this case, mayroon tayong BSBA na schedule of fees, may nakita siya, and then mayroong first year doon na schedule of fees. So yun yung niload niya dito sa assessment sa estudyante na to. Okay. Now, on the other hand, the user can also select schedule of fees na hindi naman yung sa kanyang course. So, for example, gusto niya i-load yung schedule of fees from BSIT. So, i-click niya lang yung itong button na to. Ayan. And then, for example, gusto niya i-load yung assessment from BSIT. You just click that one and press OK. So, that's the manual, or shall we say, is specifying a certain schedule of fees na different from the course of the student. So may mga cases kasi na mga ganun na hindi na sila nag-automatic na assessment, na diretso na lang to select certain schedule of fees. Okay, so now if you want to add a discount to the assessment of the student, for example, mayroon tayong discount na 50% sa tuition fee. So you just click this button, yung discount item. And then, for example, hanapin natin yung tuition fee na 50%. So, once you press OK, so the system will now add an item na negative 210, which is the 50% of the total tuition fee, which is 420. Okay? So, pag wala naman, you just delete that item. So, now, if finalize na po, actually dito sa before you finalize, the user can review, and in fact, the user can also change some of the items here. For example, for the student, meron pa siyang other phase, so the student can click this button and add other items. Or, the user can also change the values of this one. So, instead na 200, 250 yung ito siya. So, automatically, the system will change the item. Okay. Anyway, kung wala namang changes, finalize na yung, for example, ito na yung niya, yung assessment niya. So, the user can click the save button. Then, automatically, yung charges na yon will be saved. And then, yung ledger ng estudyante, updated na yun siya na mayroon na siyang charges for this semester. So, to view the charges dun sa ledger niya, you just click this button, yung student ledger. So, dito makita natin sa ledger sa estudyante na to na mayroon na siyang dalawang entry dito sa date na ito. So, mayroong tuition fee and then mayroong miscellaneous fees. So, that's how you charge or to make an assessment for a certain student.